In a major move to modernize its military fleet, the Argentine Army has begun technical operational evaluations of new tactical trucks, aiming to replace aging vehicles like the Mercedes-Benz Unimog. This comes as part of a broader effort to improve the Army's capabilities and strengthen its domestic industrial base. Among the vehicles under evaluation is the French VLRA 4x4, delivered by Arquus for testing. For over 60 years, the Argentine Army has relied on vehicles like the Unimog, but only 1,300 out of the original 3,000 are still operational today. The need for a more modern fleet has become critical, and now the Army is evaluating 4x4 trucks with a payload capacity between 1.5 to 2.5 tons. The VLRA 4x4, originally introduced in 1967, has been a dependable tactical vehicle used by numerous countries. Arquus is offering the updated VLRA 2 model, which features significant upgrades. It's powered by a 175 horsepower engine, can reach speeds of 110 km per hour, and has a range of up to 1,000 kilometers. It can tackle slopes of 60% and side inclines of 30%, making it ideal for diverse terrains. The VLRA-2 is a versatile platform, designed for a wide range of military and civilian roles. It can carry up to 16 soldiers and supports mission-specific equipment like water tanks, winches, and communication systems. The truck is also built to perform in extreme conditions, with a cold start capability as low as -32 degrees Celsius, centralized tire inflation, blackout lighting, and GPS. The Argentine Army's modernization program, which started in June 2024, aims to assess vehicles and establish opportunities for technology transfer to promote local production. Arquus's VLRA-2 could play a key role in the Army's plans, providing a cost-effective solution with proven performance. The Army is focused not only on operational capabilities, but also on boosting its domestic industry by producing components locally. As part of this modernization effort, older vehicles like the Fiat 697 and Mercedes-Benz 2624 are being phased out, while newer models from companies like Iveco and Volkswagen are being considered. The decision to include the VLRA-2 in the evaluation reflects Argentina's commitment to equipping its military with reliable, versatile vehicles that can meet operational demands and ensure long-term sustainability. The evaluation of the VLRA-2 will be a critical factor in determining the future of Argentina's tactical vehicle fleet. It will help shape the Army's modernization and strengthen the country's defense capabilities, ensuring its forces are prepared for any challenge in the years ahead.